Alrighty, guys, let's see what we got here, man. I am racing Mr. Sammy Performance Motoring, Los Angeles, California. Ooh. I was trying to get it right. I ain't gonna hold you. Hold on, let me see. I was trying to get it right. Don't worry, we gonna get you right, twin.
What up, nigga?
What's up, twin? How you doing?
Good.
For sure. My bad, gang. My bad.
Racing or no? Racing or no? Up on the line.
All right, let's see what we got. I got a 2025 CVO ST on the side of me right here. We about to get this show on the road. I'm trying to knock him off real quick. About to knock Sammy off real quick, y'all. Y'all know what time it is, man. One of them street legends out here, man. I'm about to knock him off. He on that new thing, that 2025. He's got a nice hookup tire, so he's gonna be able to hook up on us. So I dropped my tire pressure down to like 11 or 10 PSI. So we'll see how this works. Of course, he's got a whole race team. You see that? He want to win that bad. He got to burn rubber and everything. Like, he got to burn rubber and everything, you know. So it's all good. Come on, Sammy, burn your rubber, man. Get it together. Come on, bro. That's fucking up my vibe. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's fucking up my whole little vibe, brother.
Go back, oh, everything regular. That's what it is.
Come on, twin.
No way, baby.
We trying, man. We gonna see. Let's see what we got, y'all.
Right now?
Hold on. Let's go. Speed. Lightning McQueen. What'd he say? What Lightning McQueen be saying? I don't want nobody to talk to me. Don't say nothing to me. All of a sudden,
Pull it out. It's hard to see. Make sure you nod your head. When you're ready. 48. Watch out, Jacob.
this is like the biggest race, y'all. If I knock this dude off, we are gonna be famous. If I knock this dude off, we are gonna be famous. You see, when you're at the race line, you got so much just interference. Oh my God. Haven't raced on a show like this before. When I look around, man, we got everybody out here waiting. They like, this is the race. Look, they done turned all the bikes off. Look, they done pulled all the cars to the side, man. Why they gotta make my race the biggest race of everything? Look, we are going up a 2025 CVO-ST with a cam.
Where's your helmet real quick? You gotta leave.
Hey, come on, gang.
I know you.
Come on, gang. You know what time it is.
Somebody in the way? Hey,
what?
Nigga said, hey, man, you gotta leave.
What?
I'm on him.
You want? Like Donkey Kong.
Okay, I'm gonna leave on him. I'm gonna leave him right before he leave. If he leave before me, it's a wrap. I gotta leave right before him.
Hey, still back. Hey.
Let's go. All right, let's do it.
This shit, they don't use the clutch after
Hey, I got it. Hey.
Let's go. on, man. Y'all know what time it is. He beat me because I really wasn't even focused on the end of the race. I was so focused on like the half the half of the race, man. Y'all know what time it is.
Who won? Who won?
He won because I let off the gas at the end.
Yeah, nigga. Man won.
No, so look.
Use this, nigga. You use this, nigga.
No. So, nigga, I had the nigga the whole race, bro. You know, I ain't never been in front of a nigga that long. I looked at the line, I'm like, bro, I done already won.
You didn't get out the gas. You missed the gear.
You missed the gear.
You heard that motherfucker. Bye. You had it.
Yeah.
Use this.
No, bro, I was ahead of the nigga the whole race.
No, he just said it. You missed the gear fast.
Yeah, for sure.
Gear.
That's why I ain't tripping, bro. I had the nigga the whole race. I ain't tripping off that nigga. You got to the light before me.
You talking about you ain't tripping.
But I beat that nigga. I ain't tripping.
You got one more.
It's all good, bro. You gotta understand.
One more.
I beat that nigga.
When?
He went. You said when?
Yeah.
Okay.
We talking about tonight. Fuck that last time shit. I just lost $200.
No, right now.
You didn't win. What you talking about?
I know I didn't win, but I beat that nigga. I let off the gas, bro. I let off the gas. This is my first time racing ever in my life.
You go.
I know. I did not know.
But now you know.
Yeah,
The
I'm
problem with
It's
that is
good.
people bet on you and they lost money because you didn't know.
Okay, so let's race again. I'll put my own money up.
I know, but he lost $200 betting on you.
Okay, so let's bet again. I'll put my own 200 against any bike out here. I'll put it up, nigga. You ain't gotta touch shit. I'll put my own money
Got
up.
100.
Hey, let's go again. What, bro? You got a brand new bike.
I did some bullshit.
You have a brand new bike, bro. Why do you gotta cool off? Let's go. Like, you got a brand new bike. Let's go. Huh?
How much you doing it for?
Oh, you don't want to race me for free again?
We did it for free. Well, now you gotta pay me, nigga. So we gotta pay for the walkthrough now. The price went up, nigga.
How much you want?
Bet 20.
Let's go. What? 200. Let's go.
Se sueltan sin censura. Solo.
Affidavits and them statements waiting game. Numbers double up with niggas.
Not gonna lie to you, I'm over here heated, brother. I am over here heated. Ain't no way. Like, bro, I didn't beat the dude the whole race, bro. I'm over there looking at the light. I ease off the freaking gas. Try to get back on the left side of the light. And bro come and snuff me for the win. He got the win. He definitely got the win. My bike was faster. I wasn't worried about that bike at all. I ran out his life. That's for sure. I ran out his life, but I wasn't focused on the finish. I was focused on the beginning. Like I said, that was my very first race ever that I had to, I guess that people bet on me. So, you know, it really sucks because I beat the dude, you know? I'm over here trying to figure it out. We about to bet $200 and race again, you know? So the first one was free. This one we trying to get it in again. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna see what's up. I'm ready to race, bro.
Hey, you gotta do right. You gotta redeem that shit and put the jockey on the
Nigga, I told this nigga I race him again right now for 200. Nigga, I let off the gas, nigga. I literally let off the gas. On God, on my life.
Do it again. I done lost $300 or $400.
I'm not gonna hold y'all, man. I am upset, bro. It just don't make no sense. Like, you know, somebody beat you. Now they don't want to give you a run back, man. I done ran out his life. Bike's ahead of the thing, and I let off the gas, man. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm just not gonna hold you. Like, I can't even lie about this one. I can't even hold you. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm like, bro, I done already beat, bro. He came back and snuffed me at the end. Like, come on, gang. It's okay. You know, some people got to get their win how they get their win. But I had already won the waist. But it's all good. He got that one, though. I respect it. I respect it, man. It is what it is, sir. Now I can't get my race back. He said we can race the next race. I can't even get my race back. He said bet 200. I said bet. I'm still over here sitting on the sidelines, man. So it's just insane to me. I'm over it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm definitely over it, bro. I'm ready to go home or either blow this motherfucking bike up. Swear to you, I'm ready to blow this shit up. I'm not gonna hold you, brother. I got pizza and everything on the way. I ain't even hungry no more.